You do not know the difficulties that we all face. Yeah, that's what mothers do. Okay, it's okay. What hope I have for Yahya is really to be independent. Down the road, we understand we will not always be around with our children. So it is very important to provide him the necessary skill set so that he can care for himself. My name is Aisha. I'm a single mom. I'm working as a teacher. So Yahya is my first son. He is turning 7 this year. We discover that Yahya is special around the age of 2. So from there, our journey began to look for the various intervention for Yahya. At the beginning, there were no communication. He is not able to look us in the eye. At the same time, the food that he eats have to be steamed and blended. Secondly, we were worried about toilet training and to be able to go to the toilet himself, to clean by himself. We went through various schools just to find out how to help Yahya. We did a lot of trial and error, and that's how we actually found Right Path. Yeah. My relatives who haven't seen him for a while realized that he is different and saw that he is much more lively, he interacts more, and then there's more eye contact. We realized it is really working. Whatever that they have done over there in the school make him how he is right now. Along the way, what gave me hope was when Yahya started to eat solids. And then at the same time, Yahya is very active. So we actually went through the process of him just playing on his own to him playing with the cousins. I think the biggest breakthrough is learning. We didn't expect him to be able to recognize alphabets or numbers until the school showed me that he is able to recognize using the apps that they have. So the teachers always do reading with him. He points. For the first time, as I was reading the book, he points with me. It's a very long journey that we had, but I think it is very worthwhile. I know he benefited a lot. Yeah, he is very happy. The teachers at Right Path are very friendly and warm, very patient. If I think my son is difficult, I do understand that I think other parents have greater difficulties than I do. What I like is there are a lot of support. In one class, you would see like 5 adults, different adults with different skill set to be able to help the child. Even when the child is about to have a meltdown, they are very gentle and they know exactly what they are doing. While the teachers were trying to put the students to sleep, right? The teachers actually go around and pet. It's as though your own child. That kind of gave me the kind of comfort that if I were to leave Yahya here, there will be someone to care for him, to love him just like how I would do it at home. The journey will never be easy, but it is very important for us parents, always ask for help. Never give up, to look for help, because there are interventions, there are people out there who can help your child. And as parents, never be in denial, because if you are in denial, you are actually shortchanging your child from the many things that he or she can learn. So I think we need to put aside that cultural shame that our child is special. The fact that every child is a blessing. As I learn to help my child, I also learn how to help other people's children. It is very, very important to acknowledge your child weaknesses and work through with them until they are able to get to their potential. Never, never give up. All your blood and sweat, it will come through. A matter of when, I cannot promise when, but you will see it.